Anthony Hair Spray Detangler. Marc Anthony Hair Spray Detangler is a product that I recently had the opportunity to try, and I must say, I am impressed. As someone with long, thick hair, I often struggle with tangles and frizz, so finding a product that effectively detangles and provides long-lasting hold is essential. This hair spray and detangler delivers on both fronts. First and foremost, the detangling properties of this product are fantastic. With just a few spritzes, I can easily comb through my hair without any painful pulling or snagging. It leaves my hair feeling smooth, soft, and manageable, making the styling process a breeze. Whether my hair is wet or dry, this product works like a charm, effortlessly removing knots and tangles. Additionally, the hairspray aspect of this product is equally impressive. It provides a firm hold without leaving my hair feeling stiff or crunchy. I appreciate that my hairstyle stays in place throughout the day, even in humid weather. The lightweight formula doesn't weigh my hair down, giving it a natural-looking finish. Another aspect that I love about this hairspray and detangler is its scent. It has a fresh, pleasant fragrance that lingers in my hair, leaving it smelling great all day long. I also appreciate that it doesn't overpower other scents, so it's easy to layer with other fragrances if desired. In terms of packaging, the spray bottle is user-friendly, allowing for a precise application without any product wastage. The size is perfect for travel or keeping in my purse for on-the-go touch-ups. Overall, Marc Anthony Hair Spray Detangler has become a staple in my hair care routine. Its ability to detangle, provide long-lasting hold, and leave my hair smelling amazing makes it a winner in my book. I would highly recommend it to anyone in search of a reliable and effective hair spray and detangler. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Cantu Hair Conditioning Detangler. I recently had the opportunity to try the Cantu Hair Conditioning Detangler, and I must say it has become a game changer in my hair care routine. As someone with curly, often unruly hair, finding a product that effectively detangles and moisturizes is crucial, and this detangler does just that. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to effortlessly detangle my hair. With just a few sprays, I can easily comb through even the most stubborn knots and tangles without any pain or breakage. The formula is lightweight and doesn't leave any residue, allowing my comb or brush to glide through my hair smoothly. It saves me a lot of time and effort, making the detangling process much more manageable. What sets this detangler apart is its conditioning properties. It is enriched with shea butter, coconut oil, and other nourishing ingredients that deeply moisturize and hydrate my hair. After using this product, my hair feels noticeably softer, smoother, and more manageable. It helps to reduce frizz and leaves my curls looking defined and healthy. I also appreciate that it doesn't weigh my hair down or make it feel greasy, allowing my natural volume to shine through. The Cantu Hair Conditioning Detangler has a pleasant, subtle scent that lingers in my hair throughout the day. It is not overpowering or artificial, which is a plus for those with sensitive noses. The packaging is simple and functional, with a spray nozzle that distributes the product evenly. It is easy to control the amount of product dispensed, avoiding wastage. Overall, the Cantu Hair Conditioning Detangler has become an essential part of my hair care routine. Its ability to detangle, condition, and enhance the health of my hair has made a noticeable difference. I highly recommend this detangler to anyone with curly or tangled hair in need of a reliable and effective product. The number 3 position is held by Unite Hair Detangler. The Unite Hair Detangler is a product that has truly impressed me with its exceptional detangling abilities. As someone with long, thick hair prone to knots and tangles, finding a detangler that actually works can be a challenge. However, this product has exceeded my expectations. One of the standout features of the Unite Hair Detangler is its incredible effectiveness in effortlessly removing knots and tangles. With just a few sprays, it instantly transforms my tangled mess into smooth, manageable hair. It works like magic, making the combing process much easier and pain-free. Even the most stubborn knots are no match for this detangler. It saves me a lot of time and prevents hair breakage, leaving my hair healthier and more resilient. What sets this Detangler apart is its lightweight and non-greasy formula. It doesn't leave any residue or weigh down my hair, allowing it to retain its natural bounce and volume. It also doesn't leave a sticky or greasy feeling on my hands or hair, which is a major plus. Additionally, this Detangler provides an added benefit of heat protection. It helps shield my hair from the damaging effects of styling tools such as blow dryers and flat irons. This is especially important for someone like me who frequently styles their hair with heat. The Detangler adds a layer of protection, keeping my hair healthy and minimizing heat-related damage. The Unite Hair Detangler also has a pleasant scent that lingers in my hair throughout the day. It is not overpowering, but rather a subtle and refreshing fragrance that adds a nice touch to my overall hair care routine. The packaging is sleek and user-friendly, with a spray nozzle that evenly distributes the product. It's easy to control the amount of product I use, preventing any wastage. In conclusion, the Unite Hair Detangler is a standout product in the world of hair care. Its remarkable detangling abilities, lightweight formula, heat protection benefits, and pleasant scent make it a must-have for anyone struggling with knots and tangles. I highly recommend giving this Detangler a try and experience the magic it brings to your hair. Next at number 4 we have Garnier Hair Detangler Spray. The Garnier Hair Detangler Spray has become an essential part of my daily hair care routine. As someone with long, fine hair that is prone to tangling, finding a Detangler that effectively addresses my hair concerns is essential, and this product does not disappoint. One of the standout features of this Detangler spray is its ability to effortlessly untangle my hair. With just a few spritzes, I can easily comb through even the toughest knots without any pain or breakage. The formula is lightweight and doesn't leave any residue, making it easy to glide a comb or brush through my hair smoothly. It saves me time and effort, making the detangling process much more manageable. What sets this Detangler apart is its hydrating properties. It is enriched with ingredients like aloe vera and vitamin E, which nourish and moisturize my hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and manageable. This Detangler helps to reduce frizz and flyaways, giving my hair a polished and healthy appearance. I appreciate that it doesn't weigh down my hair or make it feel greasy, allowing it to maintain its natural volume and movement. The scent of this Detangler is fresh and pleasant, leaving a subtle fragrance in my hair that lasts throughout the day. It's not overpowering or artificial, which is a plus for those with sensitive noses. In terms of packaging, the spray bottle is user-friendly and allows for precise application. The product is easily dispersed, and I can control the amount I use, avoiding any wastage. Overall, the Garnier Hair Detangler Spray has become a staple in my hair care routine. Its ability to detangle, hydrate, and improve the overall appearance of my hair has made a noticeable difference. I highly recommend this Detangler to anyone in search of an effective and affordable solution for taming knots and maintaining healthy-looking hair. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Maui Moisture Hair Detangler Spray. The Maui Moisture Hair Detangler Spray has quickly become a favorite in my hair care routine. As someone with long, thick, and curly hair, detangling can be a time-consuming and sometimes painful process. However, this Detangler spray has made a significant difference in managing my tangles and knots. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to effortlessly glide through my hair, making detangling a breeze. With just a few sprays, it helps to loosen knots and tangles, allowing me to comb through my hair smoothly without any pulling or breakage. The formula is lightweight and doesn't leave any residue, leaving my hair feeling soft and manageable. What sets this Detangler apart is its nourishing ingredients. Infused with a blend of aloe vera juice, coconut water, and pure coconut oil, it provides deep hydration to my hair. This helps to combat dryness and frizz, leaving my curls defined, moisturized, and shiny. I appreciate that the ingredients are natural and free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors, making it a healthier choice for my hair. The scent of this Detangler is absolutely delightful. It has a tropical and refreshing fragrance that transports me to a beach getaway every time I use it. The scent lingers in my hair throughout the day, leaving a pleasant aroma. In terms of packaging, the spray bottle is convenient and easy to use. The fine mist allows for even distribution of the product, and I can control the amount I use based on my hair's needs. The bottle is also sturdy, making it ideal for travel or tossing into a gym bag. Overall, the Maui Moisture Hair Detangler Spray has been a game changer.